If you are feeling exhausted, worn down, and stressed due to not getting enough sleep, this video is for you. You've probably already tried a lot of things to sleep better, but if you still struggle, there is a simple low-cost supplement you may want to consider. And no, it's not melatonin or magnesium. It's actually more fun than those, and I'll tell you why in a minute. I'm Dr. AJ Ludlow, and I believe in finding natural ways to improve health, and sleep is one of the most important factors in our overall health. 30 to 40% of adults in the US suffer with symptoms of sleep deprivation or insomnia, and many are prescribed sleep medications, but those can have negative side effects and can actually contribute to poor quality sleep, causing you to still feel tired and irritable with a hard time concentrating. Even worse, those who have low quality sleep over long periods of time end up with a much higher risk of basically every chronic disease you can imagine. Setting a regular sleep schedule, keeping your room dark and cool, avoiding caffeine and alcohol, and exercising are great ways to improve sleep, but implementing these strategies can be a challenge. So I want to tell you about a lesser known supplement that can really help improve sleep quality. It's an amino acid called glycine, and its long list of benefits include improved sleep quality. It works by lowering your core body temperature at night to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. It also boosts serotonin levels, which aids in sleep quality and improves your mood. A 2007 study found that 3 grams of glycine helped people fall asleep more quickly and led to subjective improvements in sleep quality, reduced daytime sleepiness, and improved memory. Another study in 2012 showed that 3 grams of glycine before bed helped reduce daytime fatigue and sleepiness and led to better alertness and attention in sleep-deprived people. I use glycine for better sleep, but also as an anti-aging supplement because of the other health benefits like improved collagen production for healthier joints, ligaments, tendons, and skin. It also is used by the body to make a powerful antioxidant called glutathione, which helps protect and heal our cells from damage and may be able to extend your lifespan. Now, the fun part of this is that glycine has the entertaining side effect of making you have more dreams because you spend more time in REM sleep. Dreams are a healthy part of our sleep, and everyone in my family who has taken it has also noticed having more dreams. And we've actually had some pretty funny conversations about it afterwards. I've also started recommending it to my patients as a more natural way to improve sleep. Glycine is made by the body and also found in foods like meat, fish, dairy, and legumes. Our bodies make less glycine as we age, which may be part of why we have a harder time sleeping as we grow older. Supplementing glycine is an easy way to get more, so you can not only fall and stay asleep more easily, but also get the many other benefits glycine has to offer. It has become a part of my regular supplement routine, and I'll link to the brand I take in the description. Whether you try glycine or not, I hope you're able to improve your sleep. It's so important for our health and quality of life. Comment below on what you found helps you get your best sleep.